If you haven't done so already, go and block your calendar for June 13th to 15th, where KDAP will host a developer conference around Qt in Berlin, in person. Yes, that is right. And in person means there's going to be a party in between the 14th and the 15th. But let's rewind back to the 13th, where we'll have a training day with QML trainings, with C++ trainings, with profiling and debugging trainings, and much more. There's going to be 9 trainings in total. And then on the 14th and 15th is the actual developer conference going to be. There is some very, very interesting presentations and a very, very strong program. I'm not going to name any of them because that would be unfair, because there is a total of 19 super interesting presentations. Go and get your ticket now. There's an early bird until April 15th, so just a few more days. And we're going to close the registration for logistics reasons a couple of weeks early, so do not wait too long, because then you might miss out on that party and the developer conference, of course. I hope to see you there, and until then, have a great time.